So thank you very much. I must sincerely appreciate the opportunity I have to go through my driving lessons with Toptech's driving school. There are a number of driving schools we have within Accra and the country, and you can always look out for the best that can give you value, the school that you think will give you exactly what you want. And for me, I saw Toptech as one of the institutions I could rely on, having carefully monitored the progress of the school and coming around to see the kind of institution that has been established here. I must commend the management for what they have been able to put together. I had first-hand engagement with the staff who received me and how I was going to go through the process. I also recall how the instructor got me through. I must sincerely appreciate my instructor, Desmond. Desmond was patient and he was quite careful with the way he engaged me, and I must say that he did well, taking me through the process from the beginning till now. And today I can boldly say that I have appreciated and gone through the lessons, and I can find value for the lessons I have gone through. Toptech, I must say, any day is one of the best, and you can rely on them any day to give you value for your money.